Stock market, place where shares are traded. Stock market, place where shares are traded. This is used to buy and sell ownership of companies. Shareholder, person who owns company shares. Shareholder, person who owns company shares. This is used to earn dividends and voting rights. Equity, ownership in a company. Equity, ownership in a company. This is used to represent part ownership of business value. Stock exchange, organized market for securities. Stock exchange, organized market for securities. This is used to trade shares, bonds, and mutual funds. BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. BSE, Bombay Stock Exchange. This is used as one of India's oldest stock markets. NSE, National Stock Exchange. NSE, National Stock Exchange. This is used for electronic share trading in India. Sensex, benchmark index of BSE. Sensex, benchmark index of BSE. This is used to measure overall market performance. Nifty, index of NSE. Nifty, index of NSE. This tracks the top 50 companies listed on NSE. IPO, initial public offering. IPO, initial public offering. This is used when a company sells shares to the public for the first time. FPO, follow-on public offering. FPO, follow-on public offering. This is used when a company issues more shares after IPO. Market capitalization, total value of all company shares. Market capitalization, total value of all company shares. This is used to rank companies by size. Blue chip company, financially strong and trusted firm. Blue chip company, financially strong and trusted firm. This is used for safe long-term investment. Dividend, profit share given to shareholders. Dividend, profit share given to shareholders. This is used to reward investors regularly. Bonus shares, extra shares given free of cost. Bonus shares, extra shares given free of cost. This is used to reward existing shareholders. Rights issue, new shares for existing shareholders. Rights issue, new shares for existing shareholders. This is used to raise more capital for expansion. Stockbroker, person authorized to trade shares. Stockbroker, person authorized to trade shares. This is used to connect investors and stock exchanges. Demat account, digital account for holding shares. Demat account, digital account for holding shares. This is used to store securities electronically. Trading account, account used to buy and sell shares. Trading account, account used to buy and sell shares. This is used for executing stock transactions. Bull market, period of rising prices. Bull market, period of rising prices. This shows investor confidence and optimism. Bear market, period of falling prices. Bear market, period of falling prices. This reflects fear and economic slowdown. Intraday trading, buying and selling in one day. Intraday trading, buying and selling in one day. This is used for short-term profit opportunities. Long-term investment, holding assets for years. Long-term investment, holding assets for years. This is used to gain steady growth in dividends. Short selling, selling borrowed shares. Short selling, selling borrowed shares. This is used to profit when prices fall. Portfolio, collection of investments. Portfolio, collection of investments. This is used to balance risk and return. Diversification, spreading investment across assets. Diversification, spreading investment across assets. This is used to reduce overall risk. Mutual fund, pooled investment by many investors. Mutual fund, pooled investment by many investors. This is used to invest in shares, bonds, and securities. SIP, Systematic Investment Plan, SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. This is used to invest a fixed amount regularly in mutual funds. NAV, Net Asset Value, NAV, Net Asset Value. This is used to measure the price of one mutual fund unit. Fund Manager, Person managing mutual fund portfolio. Fund Manager, Person managing mutual fund portfolio. This is used to decide where and how to invest. Index Fund, Fund that tracks market index. Index Fund, Fund that tracks market index. This is used for passive, low-cost investing. Debt Fund, Fund that invests in bonds. Debt Fund, Fund that invests in bonds. This is used for stable and lower risk returns. Equity Fund, Fund that invests in shares. Equity Fund, Fund that invests in shares. This is used for higher growth potential. Hybrid Fund, mix of equity and debt investments. Hybrid Fund, mix of equity and debt investments. This is used to balance risk and reward. ELSS, Equity Linked Savings Scheme. ELSS, Equity Linked Savings Scheme. This is used for tax saving and long-term investment. Capital gain, profit from selling an asset. Capital gain, profit from selling an asset. This is used to measure investment earnings. Long-term capital gain, profit from holding assets for more than 1 year. Long-term capital gain, profit from holding assets for more than 1 year. This is used for tax calculation on investments. Short-term capital gain, profit from short duration investment. Short-term capital gain, profit from short duration investment. This is used for quick trading profits. Brokerage, fee charged by stockbroker. Brokerage, fee charged by stockbroker. This is used for executing buy and sell orders. Stop loss, automatic sell order at set price. Stop loss, automatic sell order at set price. This is used to prevent heavy trading losses. Margin trading, borrowing money to buy shares. Margin trading, borrowing money to buy shares. This is used to increase potential returns. IPO oversubscription, when demand exceeds supply. IPO oversubscription, when demand exceeds supply. This shows strong investor interest. Stock split, dividing existing shares into smaller units. Stock split, dividing existing shares into smaller units. This is used to make shares more affordable. Buyback, company repurchasing its own shares. Buyback, company repurchasing its own shares. This is used to increase share value. Face value, original value of a share. Face value, original value of a share. This is used to calculate dividends and returns. Book value, net worth of a company per share. Book value, net worth of a company per share. This is used to compare with market price. Market value, current trading price of a share. Market value, current trading price of a share. This reflects investor demand and confidence. Yield, return on investment as a percentage. Yield, return on investment as a percentage. This is used to compare profitability. P/E ratio, price to earnings ratio. P/E ratio, price to earnings ratio. This is used to value a company's stock price. EPS, earnings per share. EPS, earnings per share. This is used to show how much profit each share earns. Return on investment, gain compared to cost. Return on investment, gain compared to cost. This is used to judge investment performance. Liquidity, ease of converting assets into cash. Liquidity, ease of converting assets into cash. This is used to assess market flexibility. Volatility, speed of price changes. Volatility, speed of price changes. This is used to measure market risk. Speculation, risky investment for quick profit. Speculation, Risky investment for quick profit. This is used when investors expect sudden price moves. Insider trading. Illegal trading using confidential info. Insider trading. Illegal trading using confidential info. This is used to gain unfair advantage in markets. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. SEBI, Securities and Exchange Board of India. This is used to regulate and protect investors. Depository, organization holding securities in digital form. Depository, organization holding securities in digital form. This is used to ensure safe and fast trading. NSDL, National Securities Depository Limited. NSDL, National Securities Depository Limited. This is used for electronic holding of investments. CDSL, Central Depository Services Limited. CDSL, Central Depository Services Limited. This is used for storing and transferring securities online. Market regulator, authority monitoring trading. Market regulator, authority monitoring trading. This is used to maintain fair market practices. Economic bubble, overvalued market situation. Economic bubble, overvalued market situation. This bursts when prices fall sharply. Crash, sudden market decline. Crash, sudden market decline. This is used to describe massive selling pressure. Recovery, market regaining lost value. Recovery, market regaining lost value. This shows renewed investor confidence. RBI, Reserve Bank of India. RBI, Reserve Bank of India. This is used to control money supply and interest rates. Monetary policy, control of money and credit. Monetary policy, control of money and credit. This is used by RBI to manage inflation and growth. Fiscal deficit, excessive spending over income. Fiscal deficit, excessive spending over income. This is used to show government's financial gap. Current account, day-to-day business transactions. Current account, day-to-day business transactions. This is used by companies for frequent transfers. Savings account, deposit for regular saving. Savings account, deposit for regular saving. This is used to earn small interest safely. Fixed deposit, lock savings for fixed time. Fixed deposit, lock savings for fixed time. This is used to earn higher interest safely. Recurring deposit, monthly savings plan. Recurring deposit, monthly savings plan. This is used for building savings step by step. Check, written order to pay money. Check, written order to pay money. This is used for safe non-cash payments. Demand draft, bank-issued payment instrument. Demand draft, bank-issued payment instrument. NEFT, National Electronic Funds Transfer. NEFT, National Electronic Funds Transfer. This is used for online bank-to-bank transfers. RTGS, Real-Time Gross Settlement. RTGS, Real-Time Gross Settlement. This is used for high-value instant transfers. IMPS, Immediate Payment Service. IMPS, Immediate Payment Service. This is used for instant mobile banking transfers. UPI, Unified Payments Interface. UPI, Unified Payments Interface. This is used for instant payments using mobile apps. SWIFT, International Fund Transfer Network. SWIFT, International Fund Transfer Network. This is used by banks for cross-border payments. Foreign exchange, trading of global currencies. Foreign exchange, trading of global currencies. This is used for imports, exports, and travel. Forex reserves, total foreign currency with RBI. Forex reserves, total foreign currency with RBI. This is used to maintain currency stability. Repo rate, rate at which RBI lends to banks. Repo rate, rate at which RBI lends to banks. This is used to control borrowing costs. Reverse repo rate, rate at which RBI borrows from banks. Reverse repo rate, rate at which RBI borrows from banks. This is used to absorb excess money from market. CRR, cash reserve ratio. CRR, cash reserve ratio. This is used to maintain liquidity in banks. SLR, statutory liquidity ratio. SLR, statutory liquidity ratio. This is used to ensure banks have safe reserves. MSF, marginal standing facility. MSF, marginal standing facility. This is used by banks for overnight borrowing. Credit, ability to borrow money. Credit, ability to borrow money. This is used to buy now and pay later. Loan, borrowed amount with interest. Loan, borrowed amount with interest. This is used for personal, home, or business needs. Interest rate, cost of borrowing money. Interest rate, cost of borrowing money. This is used to calculate loan repayments. Collateral, asset pledged against loan. Collateral, asset pledged against loan. This is used as security for repayment. Mortgage, loan against property. Mortgage, loan against property. This is used for buying or refinancing homes. Overdraft, withdrawn more than balance. Overdraft, withdrawn more than balance. This is used as short-term credit for account holders. EMI, equated monthly installment. EMI, equated monthly installment. This is used to repay loans in parts. Credit limit, maximum borrowing capacity. Credit limit, maximum borrowing capacity. This is used to control card or account spending. Credit score, number showing repayment ability. Credit score, number showing repayment ability. This is used to check loan eligibility. Default, failure to repay a loan. Default, failure to repay a loan. This is used to describe missed payments. NPA, non-performing asset. NPA, non-performing asset. This is used when loans stop earning interest. Bankruptcy, legal state of financial failure. Bankruptcy, legal state of financial failure. This is used when borrower cannot repay debts. Inflation, rise in general prices. Inflation, rise in general prices. This is used to show decrease in money's value. Deflation, fall in prices over time. Deflation, fall in prices over time. This is used to indicate low demand and growth. GDP, gross domestic product. GDP, gross domestic product. This is used to measure countries' total output. GNP, gross national product. GNP, gross national product. This is used to include income from abroad. FDI, foreign direct investment. FDI, foreign direct investment. This is used when foreign firms invest in India. FII, foreign institutional investment. FII, foreign institutional investment. This is used for global investors buying stocks or bonds. PPP, public-private partnership. PPP, public-private partnership. This is used for joint infrastructure projects. Budget, plan of income and expenditure. Budget, plan of income and expenditure. This is used to control national finances. Subsidy, government financial support. Subsidy, government financial support. This is used to make essential goods cheaper. Taxation, system of collecting money from citizens. Taxation, system of collecting money from citizens. This is used to fund government programs. Direct tax, tax paid directly to government. Direct tax, tax paid directly to government. This is used for income and corporate earnings. Indirect tax, tax collected through goods or services. Indirect tax, tax collected through goods or services. This is used to include GST and customs duty. GST, goods and services tax. GST, goods and services tax. This is used to unify all indirect taxes in India. Fiscal policy, government spending and tax plan. Fiscal policy, government spending and tax plan. This is used to manage economic stability. Public debt, total money owed by government. Public debt, total money owed by government. This is used to finance budget deficits. Treasury bill, short-term borrowing tool. Treasury bill, short-term borrowing tool. This is used by government to raise quick funds. Bond, long-term debt instrument. Bond, long-term debt instrument. This is used for investment with fixed return. Yield, return on investment. Yield, return on investment. This is used to measure profit from bonds. Stock exchange, market for buying and selling shares. Stock exchange, market for buying and selling shares. This is used to trade company ownership publicly. Sensex, stock market index of BSE. Sensex, stock market index of BSE. This is used to track India's market performance. Nifty, stock market index of NSE. Nifty, stock market index of NSE. This is used to measure top 50 companies' growth. Demat account, electronic form of shareholding. Demat account, electronic form of shareholding. This is used for buying and holding shares safely. Mutual fund, pool of money invested collectively. Mutual fund, pool of money invested collectively. This is used for small investors to grow wealth. Liquidity, availability of ready cash. Liquidity, availability of ready cash. This is used to show how quickly assets can be converted into money. Solvency, ability to meet long-term obligations. Solvency, ability to meet long-term obligations. This is used to judge a company's financial health. Leverage, using borrowed money for investment. Leverage, using borrowed money for investment. This is used to increase potential profits. Asset, anything that holds value. Asset, anything that holds value. This is used for property, cash, or investments. Liability, something owed to others. Liability, something owed to others. This is used for debts or obligations. Balance sheet, financial statement showing assets and liabilities. Balance sheet, financial statement showing assets and liabilities. This is used to understand a company's position. Profit and loss account, report of income and expenses. Profit and loss account, report of income and expenses. This is used to calculate net profit or loss. Cash flow, movement of money in and out. Cash flow, movement of money in and out. This is used to track business liquidity. Capital adequacy, minimum capital required for banks. Capital adequacy, minimum capital required for banks. This is used to ensure banks can absorb losses. Basel norms, global banking regulations. Basel norms, global banking regulations. This is used to maintain stability and reduce risk. Tier 1 capital, core capital of a bank. Tier 1 capital, core capital of a bank. This is used to measure a bank's strength. Tier 2 capital, supplementary capital. Tier 2 capital, supplementary capital. This is used as backup to Tier 1 capital. Financial inclusion, providing banking to all. Financial inclusion, providing banking to all. This is used to ensure access for poor and rural areas. Microfinance, small loans for small borrowers. Microfinance, small loans for small borrowers. This is used to help rural and low-income people. Priority sector lending, loans to key social sectors. Priority sector lending, loans to key social sectors. This is used to support agriculture and small business. NBFC, non-bank and financial company. NBFC, non-bank and financial company. This is used to provide loans and investments without full banking license.